The historic Amana Bridge project is super critical for the railroad, a very technical, highly engineered project. The E-Flex 500s for this particular project, they pump well, they integrate into the mix well, they're adding some flexural strength and they're adding some compressive strength that the contractors are very happy with. Well, today we started with a 4,000 PSI mix. We added approximately 5 pounds of REGEN fiber per cubic yard of concrete produced. So we've got approximately 5 trucks, a little over 10 yards per truck. It's a 50-yard pour, and we're pumping this mixture into some formwork. It's a bridge pier cap. We've got a lot of heavy rebar in that formwork, and this mixture is designed so that that concrete can flow in the bars, in those forms, and produce an incredibly strong pier cap for the railroad bridge to sit on. So when the trucks came out, they were staged very well, and then we backed up to the pump truck, and as the concrete was coming out of the truck, it went into the hopper of the pump, and then it went through the pump into the forms. Yeah, the forms are a containment system for the concrete, and as we pump the concrete into the forms, they do it nice and slow so that it can gain strength at the bottom, at the lowest point, and set up. They're very concerned about the head pressure of plastic concrete, so they have to go real slow as they pump that into the forms to get a really good consolidated mix. They're vibrating the concrete as it goes. Very smooth process to get a great pier cap for this construction project. One of the really nice things we heard from the ready-mix producers and the pump operator is how well the REGEN fibers pump in the mix, so that when they're transferred from the ready-mix truck into the pump hopper, it's seamless. We have a good flowable, workable mix that goes into the forms to be vibrated, and we get a really good product. Part of the circular economy, and it's really beneficial to the concrete producers, the contractors, and the infrastructure project that Kramer North America is doing. Today was the first of 3 bridge piers caps that are going on this historic Amana Bridge project. It was very successful. Everything went off without a hitch. Everything was very smooth, and we're going to get a great railroad project. This railroad bridge will last another 100 years.